Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. In our previous video, we showed you until here that you can do the monitoring of and means you can develop watch dog watching a particular folder if a file is coming as soon as with a certain naming convention. If it exists, it moves it to your target position, and then you can use the trend analysis or so on and so forth. You can uh, do plenty of work to watch or to supervise or to monitor your own performance and make the self-assessment, right? So today's topic is about hyperlinking, means how to hyperlink. But for this, we need to have some data. So let's use the same data here at, as we have uh, this file has been moved, and where it has been moved to this, right? And this is the last file. This is the 1st of August 9/20. Yes, this is the response one. So if we open this file, right? If we open this file while making sure that we don't open it in our monitoring, so that we want to open it here, right? So let's go back to the VBA folder and to the stats folder, rather, stats folder. Yeah, and this is the 1st August file that is here, right? And we open it this way. Okay, right. So this is open. You see, the YouTube provides this information without hyperlink, and we want this hyperlink to be in place in this, so that whenever we click in here, it goes and open the video. So for this, if we do it manually, what we have to do is we will right click on it, and we will do some, say, linking. Linkage is for you have here this option to link it, right? And in the link you write here the linkage, the link address, right? Uh, Place in the document, existing files, however, this is the way, right? So the hyperlinks require some uh, path, right, like this, right? And now this has to be here. Yeah, this is exactly the right one. Okay. So when you have done it, we click OK, so it will become right. So you have to do it for everything, for every one by one, if you choose to do it manually, right? So this is uh, going to be, this has to be changed, and what you have to put it here, you will type this one, 0h9, very cumbersome, very difficult, right? So to do it, so let's automate it, and we have already automated it. So let's go and see how did we do this. So we go to our this macro here. This is the file which generates all this, and it also uh, goes through all the downloaded files, and and we put the hyperlink automatically. Right, let's go to the assign macro and to see how is this. Okay, here we will see the directly go to the command which is hyperlinking. So we will do hyper, okay, that's fine. And within this module, so this is where it is doing the job of hyperlinking, right? and on the A column, it is putting the hyperlink, and that hyperlink is being taken into the variable txt, right? So that txt will be having what? This part plus the uh, value which is written on the A drive, right? So these two are concatenated, and this is going to make you the text, the hyperlink text at the path, and then you need a do while loop so that each time it takes focus on the next video, which is entered. The title is entered in here, and then it adds the hyperlink this way. This is the command which adds the address with the whatever is written on the A column, right? And the text which these are added into this, and this makes the it hyperlink. So let's put a breakpoint here so that we see that how when it is doing, then we can see it happening. Okay, so let's close it. We don't save this. Okay, so let's execute it. Yeah. It's being executed. Now it is going one by one all the files and making the summary, plotting the graph, etc., and doing the hyperlink job. So as soon as it will start hyperlinking first thing, so we have put a breakpoint there, so it is going to stop it so that we see it happen. You see, so it has stopped, so that we can see that how it is doing the job of hyperlinking, right? It is saying active sheet, this hyperlink, add the anchor, that is the active sheet B1. This is the anchor, right? The B and R1 value is 3, that is row 3, right? And the hyperlink will be the active sheet A column. Yeah, this is going to be the address, right? And AR1, right? And the display text will be as this one, TXT, right? So this is how it is going to work, right? It has made it the hyperlink here, and this is going to be available as a and as soon as I press F8 to go to it, you will see the hyperlink is there, right? So let's jump to the next one. Now it is going to the next one. Press F8. It is hyperlinked, Let's jump to one and let's run it. And now this is going to, it is now focusing on this MCQ in video. And when we press it, it is, so this how quickly it is going to happen. You can see it if we remove the breakpoint from here, and you see before saving it will stop. And that's it. With a spur of moment, with a second, all the videos have been hyperlinked, and now these are going to be copied to all the files which you have, which are linked to the YouTube videos, and they will be updated. Okay, so this is how the hyperlinking can be automated. So I hope you find it useful, and I will make this available for you if you want to utilize this approach in your working. Thank you very much for watching.